Okay, I'm going to make a video showing the last part of that advanced part to make your OSP page for you. So we're going to share screen really quick to my thing really fast. Okay, so down here to advanced settings, and I've already cleared it out. So you're just going to want to make sure that there's nothing here and there's nothing here. And you're going to hit save preview and make sure this all looks good. And then click done. And to test it, you would just copy it. I don't know what those noises are, but I'm sure that's someone on the other end. You would
Not me, Gemma.
test it here. And this is a really awesome video. Then it has the blog with your link on it. So if somebody clicks that and it has the video right here, they could play the 2.5 minute. You know what? I actually don't know if the video, what does it have? Oh, look. So it has your link right here. So it has my link. So your link would be there if they wanted to sign up. So if they said create new account, it's here. Probably right here also. Need more info, your email address, and message, and send to you. And
Say, Gemma.
oh, test it out.
No, you don't have to test it out. We just want to make sure everyone understands. When you hit that more info button, the potential customer gets more information emailed to them, and they go into your marketing system.
Oh, nice. And hi, I am.
The system knows your address.
Okay, I'm going to make one up then. Wanting more info about this really, cool new way to market. Okay, so let's say hi, hello at gmail.com. Oh, subject, need more info. Okay. Thank you, your email has been sent. It may take up to 5 minutes to be received. All right. Now, Online Sales Pro, this is it for my testing it out. And I want to say the other one was right. Oh, I don't know where it was. Was right here. So if you want to, if you do have Online Sales Pro, which a lot of people that do have Asirvia, they use Online Sales Pro. If you do want to hit a share code and someone's asking you for a share code, you would just click this little thing right here, the little arrow, and you would click this little OK, and that's your share code right there. So let me get out of that, and oh, now I need to move this. And that's how you would make the, I guess, end part of creating a landing page and finishing up the advanced settings of clearing out someone else's information from a share code and their shared page from the page that they've shared with you. And hope that helps.